This is a quick demonstration of the Point CRM, which is part of the Point Industrial Software Suite, designed to keep your sales teams connected to operations in real time. Point CRM is optimized for use on any mobile device. This demonstration will be performed using a laptop computer. When you log into the Point CRM, you'll be taken to a customizable dashboard. It will display sales and operational information that is important to you. From here, we will navigate across some menu items, starting with Activities. On the Activities page, you can see activities for a specific day, a week, or you can set custom date ranges. If you are designated as a sales rep, you will see only your activity. If you're set up as a sales manager, you will see activities for all your sales reps. You will also be able to assign activities that will appear on their calendars. Clicking View will allow you to see more information for that activity. We allow you to view activities in a calendar mode, where you can drag and drop, change dates and times. We also have a map view for your activities. From the activities list, you're able to add new activities, such as a follow-up appointment. In the Opportunities section, you can track your opportunities by status in a list view, where you're able to drill down for more information. Our Pipeline view is a very popular way to track your sales, from leads to closing. The column labels are configurable by your company. We also allow drag and drop from one stage to another. You can also click the link to get more information and update quote statuses. The Contacts tab lists all your contacts and gives you many sort and filter options to find the exact person you're looking for. The Customers tab shows all your customers and prospects, along with their current status. In the CRM Only status, this prospect will only be visible from within CRM and only to the assigned sales rep. Similar to Contacts, we have different filtering options that allow you to narrow down your customers within the list or map views. Clicking View will drill down into that customer, where you will find more information such as customer detail, activity, and sales forecasts. Address, social media links, notes, attachments, and contacts within this customer. You can add new or click the link and it'll bring you to that contacts information page. You can see a quick view of recent activities for this customer, as well as drill down into the activities, schedule follow-ups, and add new activities as needed. Scrolling down further will show you recent opportunities for this customer, giving you the ability to drill down or add new. You're able to view recent jobs. Hovering over the job number will give you, at a glance, information, or click for a more detailed view, including job and nameplate details. CRM also allows you to record customer complaints and corrective actions taken. There are numerous reports built into CRM as well. Let's look at a customer sales report. Here you will see detailed sales information, even giving you the export capabilities into Excel or a PDF. CRM also comes with integration tools for common email and calendar programs. If you ever need help or want to learn more, click on the help icon to contact support or to view our growing library of training videos and tutorials. Enabling you to be self-sufficient is our goal. For in-depth training, help getting users set up to use the Point CRM, or you just want to learn more about the Point suite, please email sales@springpt.com.